The Lakers this season need to make a move, and when talking about two stars that I want them to target, I want them to go for Ben Simmons of the Philadelphia 76ers and then next, Jeremy Grant of the Pistons. As of right now, these two stars are one of the hottest names in the open trade market, and as we slowly approach the NBA mid-season trade deadline, it's almost a guarantee that these two players are going to be wearing a new jersey soon. On the Lakers' perspective, their biggest and best trading asset has to be Russell Westbrook. Despite Russell Westbrook getting worse over the past few seasons, he's still a valuable star in the league, and of course wherever he goes, he would be a reliable star that can help carry the team to the playoffs. We've seen him done this before. We just got a report today that the Lakers explored trading for Russell Westbrook earlier this season, and with us getting this confirmation that the Lakers have tried to trade him before, I do believe with their circumstances right now, they're gonna try trading him again, especially during this upcoming month, before the deadline. Another valuable trading piece the Lakers have is Talen Horton-Tucker. During this past offseason, the Lakers signed THT to a 3-year $30 million deal, but so far, he's not living up to it, and there are players on the roster that are playing better than him, players like Malik Monk. So right now with THT's contract being affordable for other NBA teams and NBA teams valuing the young THT and his potential, I believe the Lakers must explore the trade market to see what they can get for Talen. For this video, I'm going to be talking about the Lakers and talking about an ultimate trade scenario where they can trade away Russell Westbrook and THT to get in return Ben Simmons of the Sixers and then of course Jeremy Grant of the Pistons. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a very special episode of Easy Buckets. My name is Soom and I make basketball videos every single day. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button to not post notifications to not miss any of my upcoming videos. If you watched this video and you loved it, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. It would help with the channel a lot. But without wasting any more time, let's talk about the Lakers' ultimate scenario. The rumor right now is that the Lakers are going to make a move, but why do they just have to make one move? Why not make two moves? The first and most obvious move is I want the Lakers to trade for Ben Simmons of the Sixers. We just got a report that says this. Reported consensus expectation, the 76ers are likely to deal Ben Simmons by the NBA trade deadline. As of right now, Ben Simmons is not yet to play a single NBA game for the Sixers, and for what it looks like, he's not going to play until he gets traded. John Hollinger of The Athletic says this. Despite the Sixers' bluster to the contrary, the consensus opinion around the league remains that Philadelphia is more likely to act at the trade deadline than carry this all the way through till next summer, so as to avoid punting on a year of Joel Embiid's prime. I absolutely agree with this. Right now, the Sixers are on pace to make the NBA playoffs and still be competitive in the Eastern Conference. And right now, with them having Tobias Harris, Seth Curry, and Joel in their prime, why waste a year? Trade Ben Simmons for somebody that can come in and be a beneficial factor right away. And that's where Russell Westbrook comes in. The trade would be the Lakers offering up Russell Westbrook, Kent Bazemore, Avery Bradley, and a 2025 second-round pick in exchange for Ben Simmons and Danny Green. I believe this trade would help the Lakers and, of course, help the 76ers. On the Sixers' perspective, when you think about it, this trade is basically them trading away Danny Green for 3 reliable assets and a future draft pick. Because right now the Sixers are successful, but Ben hasn't even played for them yet. So imagine trading Danny Green for Russell Westbrook. Russell Westbrook comes in to be the starting point guard to be a matchup point guard combo duo with Joel Embiid. That pick and roll and pick and pop would be amazing. We've seen it in the past where Russell Westbrook comes to an Eastern Conference team and helps them make the playoffs. And I genuinely believe the personality and the bulldog mentality of Russell Westbrook would fit in with what Philadelphia is trying to do, especially with Doc Rivers. Russell Westbrook and Daryl Morey already have a relationship. They were on the Houston Rockets together, so this trade makes sense as a potential reunion that of course makes Russell Westbrook comes in and fix what they couldn't do on Houston. On the Lakers' perspective, a lot that they're struggling with is their defense and their shooting, and getting Ben Simmons and Danny Green would be a good balance to get both of those skills to be added to the team. Of course, Ben Simmons is not the best shooter out there, but that's where Danny Green comes in. Danny Green was a former Laker, was a part of their championship team 2 years ago, so him coming in brings that nostalgia feeling, but also knows the playbook of Frank Vogel and knows how to play with LeBron James and Anthony Davis. On the other hand, Ben Simmons has a very similar playing style to Russell Westbrook, but with Ben Simmons being cheaper and of course younger, he has more potential and fits the timeline of Anthony Davis. The Lakers should want to win a championship now, but also be smart and build for their future around Anthony Davis. Ben Simmons right now is a popular Lakers target, and I do believe if they're going to trade Russell Westbrook, Ben Simmons is more realistic than Damian Lillard or even DeMar DeRozan or Bradley Beal. So let's say the Lakers just traded for Ben Simmons. What's next? There's one more deal I want them to do, and that's going for Jeremy Grant of the Pistons. We just got a report about Jeremy Grant's trade rumors that contenders are calling the Pistons frequently for a versatile wing. Right now, Jeremy Grant is one of the more popular names in the open trade market simply because he's in his prime, has a very affordable contract, and can contribute to any championship contender. And I believe the Lakers are locked in and trying to get him too. A report just dropped a few weeks ago that the Lakers are eyeing a possible trade for Jeremy Grant simply because he will be a perfect fit alongside LeBron James and Anthony Davis at the starting forward position. And with the Lakers simply going for a more traditional small ball lineup now and testing the waters, Jeremy Grant would be an amazing upgrade over Stanley Johnson. He can score but also defend alongside LeBron. LeBron, in the past, has been vocal on his interest on Jeremy Grant. So if the Lakers want Jeremy, they could have to trade away Talen Horton-Tucker, and this would ultimately be the deal. It would be the Lakers offering up THT, Kendrick Nunn, DeAndre Jordan, and a 2023 second-round pick in exchange for Jeremy Grant. The Lakers trade Russell Westbrook earlier for Ben, and then trade THT for Jeremy Grant. What do you guys think about this deal? I do believe it's great for both teams. On the Pistons' perspective, with Jeremy Grant right now being in his prime and having a lot of value, the Pistons are going nowhere. And right now, they don't want to waste Jeremy Grant's prime on a team that won't make the playoffs. And right now, with Jeremy Grant having one more year after this season on his contract, his value is as high as possible. So the Pistons have to execute now for the best pieces possible. For this trade, the Pistons get two young players of THT and Kendrick Nunn to come in and develop to be a part of their future. And with the Pistons needing that spark plug and of course the experience that THT has as an NBA champion, Dwane Casey would love to develop THT to be somebody like DeMar DeRozan, where he trained on the Raptors before. On the Lakers' perspective, Jeremy Grant comes in immediately to be a championship roster piece. This year, they're going full throttle for the NBA championship, so they need as many valuable ultras as possible. And with Jeremy Grant right now being one of the more affordable players, I simply love this trade on the Lakers' perspective as an ultimate case scenario. Of course, if they're going all the way. And of course, if anything, Jeremy Grant is going to be available next season if they don't win this year. If the Lakers end up doing both of these trade scenarios that I propose, this will be their new ultimate roster and rotation. It would be Ben Simmons starting point guard, Danny Green starting shooting guard, LeBron James small forward, Jeremy Grant power forward, Anthony Davis at the center position. This will be their ultimate lineup to of course win the NBA championship. And then look at their bench. They'll still have Malik Monk, Austin Reeves, Trevor Ariza, Carmelo Anthony, Dwight Howard, and then of course I'd say re-sign Stanley Johnson. They'll still have Wayne Ellington, but then they'll have 3 more available roster spots to sign buyout candidates during the NBA trade deadline and mid-season. I believe this lineup, this roster, this rotation could go all the way. But what's most important to me is I want to know your thoughts. Do you believe this is a great ultimate scenario for the Lakers, or do you believe they can do something else? Put your thoughts down in the comments below. But other than that, take it easy, God bless, and I'll see you all next time on Easy Buckets. Woo!